Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are talking about how to clean my nemesis, which is the stainless steel in your kitchen. So it doesn't matter how clean the rest of your kitchen is. If you have spots, smudges, fingerprints, and that sort of thing on your stainless steel, it just looks dirty. It doesn't matter. So how we're gonna clean it, there's two ways you can actually do this. It's white vinegar, your friend, and you can do half and half with water. So 1 part vinegar, 1 part water. Or you can use rubbing alcohol. It's another option as well. People use that as well, which is also 1 part rubbing alcohol, 1 part water as well. And you're gonna want a microfiber cloth. You don't wanna use anything that's gonna have any kind of texture to it or harshness to it, because you do not wanna scratch your stainless steel. If you think fingerprints are bad, scratching is worse. So what you're gonna wanna do is you gotta go with a grain. So you gotta look where the grain's going. For this, it's going up and down. And you want to work in sections, because if you don't work in sections, you're going to get water spots or water vinegar spots on it. So you're just going to want to work in sections and work your way down. And so we're just going to do that quick. And like I said, just you want to work with the grain. And this is going to be the most efficient way for you to get those smudges and fingerprints off your fridge without scratching and with leaving a great finish. There's also other things you could do. You could buy more expensive chemicals. There's different things that you could buy, on Amazon, things like that. But when white vinegar does the trick, and it's less chemicals, less smell to it, that sort of thing, it's the option I would choose. The other thing is some people don't like the smell of vinegar. Maybe rubbing alcohol is your option for that. But white vinegar to me smells nice and clean. I like the smell of it, so it's okay. Okay, so that's it. It's a very easy solution. 1 part vinegar, 1 part water, little spray bottle, nice and cheap. Microfiber cloth. Go with the grain. If you think you have hard water, know you have hard water, use a bottled water for it. Otherwise, you'll get more spots to it. It won't be quite as clean. So you want to do that as well. You can use any of your appliances, any of your stainless steel. Just make sure you go with the grain. We did our refrigerator, we did our microwave, we did our stove, we did everything, and it came out really nice and clean, and you don't have to worry about scratching or anything with a microfiber cloth. That's it. Subscribe to our channel. That's how you clean stainless steel without harsh chemicals. We'll see you next time. Thumbs up, and super thanks is always welcome.